Listen carefully. In 2025, millions will lose their jobs. But the people who master these three skills, they'll control the future. The world is changing faster than ever, and if you're not prepared, you risk being left behind. But what if I told you there are three specific skills that are not just future-proof, but can actually make you rich? These aren't just trends. They are the new pillars of the global economy. Stick with me for the next few minutes, and I'll break down exactly what they are, why they're so valuable, and how you can start learning them today, even with no prior experience. This isn't about scare tactics. It's about giving you the roadmap to financial security and success in a world that being reshaped right before our eyes. Let's dive in. First up, and this should be no surprise, is artificial intelligence and machine learning. Now, I know what you're thinking. AI is going to take all our jobs. But that's the wrong way to look at it. The truth is, AI won't replace you. But a person who knows how to use AI will definitely replace someone who doesn't. This is the single biggest shift in the job market since the internet itself. The most powerful skill you can develop right now is a combination of prompt engineering and general AI literacy. Prompt engineering is simply the art of talking to AI to get exactly what you want. It's like having a super intelligent assistant at your fingertips. And the best part? You don't need to be a programmer to get started. There are countless AI tools out there right now that can help you write content, create stunning visuals, automate repetitive tasks, and even build business plans. People are already using these tools to start side hustles and build entire businesses from scratch. Learning to leverage AI is no longer optional. It's your ticket to becoming 10 times more productive and valuable in any industry. It's the ultimate unfair advantage. The second skill is data analytics. If AI is the engine of the future, then data is its fuel. It's been called the new oil for a reason. Every click, every purchase, every single online interaction creates data. And companies are desperate for people who can make sense of it all. Why are companies like Google, Amazon, and Netflix so incredibly dominant? Because they master data. They use it to understand what you want before you even know you want it. They use it to make billion-dollar decisions, to optimize every part of their business, and to predict future trends. Data analytics is like having a crystal ball for the modern world. Learning the tools of the trade like Excel, which you probably already have. SQL for managing databases. Python for powerful analysis. And Power BI or Tableau for creating insightful visualizations can open up an endless stream of high-paying career opportunities. Every single industry, from healthcare and finance to marketing and entertainment, needs data analysts. They are the detectives of the business world, finding hidden patterns and insights that drive growth and innovation. If you love solving puzzles and want a career that is in constant, high demand, look no further than data analytics. The third future-proof skill is cybersecurity. Think about it. Our entire world is now online. Our money, our memories, our businesses, our secrets, it's all digital. And just like you'd hire a bodyguard to protect something valuable in the real world, companies need digital bodyguards to protect their assets online. The threat is very real. Experts estimate that a hacker attacks somewhere on the internet every 39 seconds. Businesses lose billions upon billions of dollars every year to cybercrime, and that number is only going up. Because of this, they are willing to pay top dollar for cybersecurity professionals who can defend them. We're talking about roles like ethical hackers, who are paid to find weaknesses before the bad guys do, and cloud security specialists, who protect the vast infrastructure that powers our digital lives. As more of our world moves to the cloud and becomes interconnected, the need for these digital defenders will explode. This isn't just a job. It's a mission to protect the digital frontier. It offers incredible job security and some of the highest salaries in the tech industry. In a world full of digital threats, being the shield is one of the most valuable roles you can have. So there you have it. Artificial intelligence, data analytics, and cybersecurity. These three skills are the golden tickets to not just survive, but truly thrive in the economy of 2025 and beyond. They are the foundation upon which the future is being built. The question is, will you start learning them now? Or will you wait until it's too late? The choice is yours, but the clock is ticking. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, do me a favor and hit that like button and subscribe for more content to help you navigate the future. Let me know in the comments which of these skills you're most excited to learn. See you in the next one!